Ever been stuck with buggy graphics drivers that ruin your gaming or creative workflow? Today, we'll show you how to roll back your Nvidia drivers and get back to smooth sailing. First, close any running programs, especially games, and save your work, because we're about to restart your computer. Step 1. Access Device Manager. In the Windows search bar, type Device Manager and click on it. In Device Manager, locate Display Adapters and click the arrow to expand it. Then find your Nvidia graphics card. Right-click on your Nvidia graphics card. A menu appears. Select Properties at the very bottom of the list. The Properties window will open here. Navigate to the Driver tab. You will see driver details such as the version number. If you see Roll Back Driver, click it. This reverts to your previously installed driver. If it is grayed out, it might not be possible to roll back. A prompt will likely appear asking why you are rolling back. Select a reason, if prompted, or simply click Yes. After clicking Yes, your computer will now restart. Once rebooted, your old drivers should be reinstalled. Check your game or desired application to see if your graphics problems are solved. If the issue persists, you may need to download and reinstall a previous driver directly from the Nvidia website.